Thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and to watch this video. I am a Knix ambassador and I'm so excited to share this delivery with you. In today's delivery, I received a sports bra, some leggings, a sweatshirt, and some joggers. Later in this video, I'm going to put on the sports bra and leggings, but I want to give you some details first. This bra is one of my favorite styles because it doubles up as a crop top and is so supportive. I am obsessed with Knix leggings. They are so supportive, so durable, and I just love them. This oversized sweatshirt is so comfortable. I did order an extra small. These joggers are super soft, high-waisted, have pockets, and are lined with fleece. I've always loved how supportive their styles are. The bra and the leggings are so comfortable and they come in so many different colors. Definitely check them out. I'm going to link it all in my caption here. Make sure to use my discount code featured in the video above.